How to make slow motion video in Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video by App Hacks, I'll teach you guys how you can make a slow motion video in Snapchat. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first, open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, simply click a video. So let's do that. After you click a video, what you can do is you'll get different options. So what you'll need to do here is you can just scroll between your different filters, and one of those filters here will be this snail looking option. So select that filter, and what that filter does is that it slows your video down, and that's basically what a slow motion is on your Snapchat. And now you can send it to your friends from here. There is even option for fast forward, and yeah, even a faster version of it. So this is how you do a slow motion video on Snapchat. You can now send it to your friend. And that's basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.